What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? So another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. Palette and Gardening Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. And you're probably trying to figure out, what are you doing in the kitchen? I'm asking myself the same question that you just asked, I'm sure. But I am here because of my great friend Lisa, which is a wonderful person. Yes, she gave me the idea of what to do with some kale and that I have harvested from my backyard. Now, as y'all saw on the previous video, like following my birthday, I had the debacle with the kale and things, and you know, collards, it didn't really work out. But thanks be to God, I do have a garden, so at any time I can go out and get more kale, okay? Because you never harvest the kale till it's all gone. You do it until, you know, there's a video for that. But nonetheless, we are going to cook some kale, and the way I'm going to cook it are two ways. Now, she recommended that I turn the oven on to 375 and cut them up and crisp them up. So let me go ahead and turn the oven on to go ahead and get things started, right? However, with that, what I am going to do is do it two ways. Now, we have an air fryer that you see in the back over there, and then we have an oven. So I'm going to cook some in the air fryer, some in the oven, but bring you along the way for both of them. We're going to see which one tastes best, okay? Not only will I taste it in front of you all, but also by kitty kids and maybe Crystal. I don't know. We'll see where she's at with all of that. But you get a full gambit, right, from me to the kids on what it tastes like and things that you can do if you are looking to make kale chips, okay? So what she did recommend was that we cut them all up. So let me get a knife and clearly I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. So let's go ahead and get this knife, and we are going to cut some of these beautiful kale up. Now what I want to do is leave like 2 on the stem, okay? I do want that feel just to see what it's like to be able to eat off the stem and things like that. So I'm gonna just leave the ones that I'm gonna leave on the stem just right there. But for those that I'm taking off the stem, all you have to do is just squeeze, tug right there, right? That's all it is. Squeeze at the stem and just tug, and it'll break off at its weak point. Same concept, boom. And I'll just do one more, right? And then from there, you just wanna, you know, bend it in half like so. And then you wanna just go ahead and cut these bad boys, okay? So, matter of fact, just to make life a little bit easier, I'm gonna just go ahead and break it with my hand, right? Halfway, so we're half. And then from there, we'll just go ahead and chop them all up. Now, I don't know if the kale will, you know, reduce as kale does when you cook it in the skillet. You know how it all shrivels up like spinach. I don't know if that will be the concept this way, but nonetheless, we are going to just do what it does and see what happens with what we get. All right, so I'm just gonna cut these bad boys up so that I have them nice, you know, nice and minced. And then from there, what she recommended was for me to, you know, rub them in some oils, and then you know, season them how I like for my food to be seasoned. So let's go ahead and get my pan. Of course, you gotta have your aluminum foil. Why, I don't know, but I mean, hey, every time I cook in the oven, when I do cook like, you know, cookies and stuff, I always use that. So I'm gonna use that. All right, I'm gonna put this over here. Let's put the, right, I'm trying to figure this all out, right? I told y'all I'm not really the cook, the chef. So let's put that in here, right? Ideally, I can then season it. All right, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so then we're gonna lay this all out. Okay, I feel like I'm getting somewhere, y'all. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. So now let's go ahead and do 2 more. Because like I said, I am doing it for both the air fryer and the oven. So we want to make sure I have ample enough for both scenarios. And I'm so excited. So excited, right? I didn't even tell Crystal I was doing this. So, you know, like I said, we'll see where she's at when she sees what I've done. See if her belief is in me, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't cook, so I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't, nor will I be hurt. So that's a fact too. All right, so here's the basket for the air fryer itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some aluminum foil. So it looks like the basket is really not gonna be able to fit a whole one. So I'll put some little ones in there, right? So boom, looks like that. I'm excited about that scenario, which does free up this scenario for my 2 whole pieces. You know, I'm liking where I'm at right now. I must say. I feel like I'm getting somewhere, y'all. I'm gonna just rub these like that. That's gonna be like extra oily. Oh snap! Let me get some more. Let's get some more. Go ahead and cut these bad boys up. I feel like Top Chef mixed with worst cooks of America, right? It's like 2 for 1. But it's all good, right? We giving this a try. I feel like that's the beauty of YouTube. That's the beauty of this channel. Y'all know I try stuff out. And if it works, it works. I'll let y'all know. And if it doesn't, I'll do the same. There's no love lost, no hurt lost. Because guess what? I'm not getting graded for it. I get the opportunity to do it with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and season it. What I will use is, I need to wash my hands. Let me wash my hands. All right, so here's a message for all the cooks out there, okay? While you're cooking, please take the time to wash your hands in between touching things and the seasonings, because for those who aren't cooks and then we go and try to get seasonings for different things, we do feel the different oils and things that you cook with before you touch the seasonings, and that's not pleasurable. So yes, that's my little rule of thumb. So what we have is some pepper, right? We have some pepper. We have some pink Himalayan salt, you know what I'm saying? And then we have the Tony Satcheries because I like a little kick. But I won't use that because, like I said, the kids will be trying this out. But I will use some fresh ground pepper, which I love pepper, y'all. Like, I love pepper. I honestly just like it to see it. I mean, there is a taste. I just like seeing pepper on my food. I feel like it goes the next step. I don't really use salt like that, so I'm only doing it because, you know, chips have salt. So, only reason why I'm using that. All right, so I feel like I have a good solid situation. So, let's go over here to the oven and to the air fryer to get everything all to where we want it to be. All right, so the first ones I'm going to do is put the air fryer ones in. So, we're just going to pop it down. This is honestly the first time I'm using this air fryer. So, we're going to see what happens. But nonetheless, time. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna just put it on 15. Why not? And then I can always like check it, right? So let's go ahead and start. I didn't preheat it, but you know, whatever. I think we're gonna be all right. So as you can see, they are in there doing what they do. And I believe my oven is now at the temperature that I'll need it to be at, which is 375. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the ones for the oven into the oven. All right, so now with both of them in there, we will use the time on the air fryer to let us know how much time it actually took for them to cook both in the oven and the air fryer. So yeah, I'll make sure I let you know. And so when we come back, we will have some kale. Okay, great people. So now we have our kale submissions. One from the oven, one from the air fryer. And what I will say is they did cook around the same amount of time. The ones in the oven did take like a minute or two longer. But overall, it was probably about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? So I have tried the ones in the air fryer because it came out first. And what I will say, well, what I'll do is just go ahead and like eat one on camera. Yeah, it's pretty much nothing to it, right? Honestly, if I was to give it a taste, I would say it tastes like popcorn, right? Like popcorn without the kernel at the end of the day, right? Same vibe. Maybe it's burnt. All right, so here's the one from the oven. Man, that one has a little bit more chew to it. It's really light. It's very airy. It's honestly like biting into a piece of paper. Like, I don't know how to, Miss Lisa, Mom, because you even commented that kale chips are good. Honestly, I never had a kale chip from the store, so I don't know what they're selling in a bag, but I don't even know how you're able to transport this into a bag. Truth be told, like, what are they doing? But let's see how it is from the stem. Okay, okay. It's very oily. I must say that. One over OD, as some would say, on the oil, but hey, it didn't burn. So, I feel like I prefer my, out of this option or like saute. I feel like I get more nutritious, like, you know, nutrition. Now, I will say, the pieces that are bigger actually cook better. So, try not to cook your pieces too fine, and I feel like you'll get what you want. Well, you'll get what I want, whatever that means to you. Oh, got him. Family trash. All right, so let's see what the kids have to say, y'all. All right, beautiful people. So as promised, we have both Rain and Ricky here to try these kale chips. So that is what we have, guys. These are some kale chips that your dad made from the garden that I want you all to try to see what you think, right? Tell me and tell the people watching what you think. So I'm gonna try one just to show you. It tastes like popcorn. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It tastes like popcorn. So I'm gonna let you try one. Yeah. Okay. Try it out. Thank you, Ray. You gotta look in the camera. What do you think?
It's hard.
Okay. You gonna try it?
What do you put this in?
I put it in the oven. So this one's from the air fryer. Very light.
Can I try one?
Yeah.
Oh, that one too.
What do you think about that one? Which one you like better, this one or this one? The one from the oven? Okay. So, brother, you want to try it out? Oh.
You like it?
What do you think? You like it? Is it good?
I actually like both of them. They're good.
I think so, huh?
I don't
Yep, too quick. Huh? What do you say? You don't like what?
I like both of them.
Okay. What do you think? You like it? Okay. You want to try another one? Oh, so you really don't like it?
Can I get down now?
Oh, so?
Get down.
You want to get down? Okay, so we'll let Crystal try it out. I'll find out what she thinks about it. I'll let you know in the description. And so we have tried it, right? The kids approve. You like it? Does it taste like popcorn to you, or is it just me?
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like popcorn?
Yeah.
What does it taste like to you?
I like salad. Because it's salad. It's salad.
Okay, so you have it in your mind that it's salad, so it tastes like salad.
Yes.
Not popcorn.
No.
Popcorn? Does it taste like popcorn?
No.
Tastes like salad?
Yes.
Interesting. All right, beautiful people. Well, we'll see you next time. I love you all. Thank you, Miss Lisa, for this recipe. I gave it to you all. Let me know if y'all did anything different or if I should do anything differently. And we'll all learn and grow from what you say in the comment section. So, I love you all. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And look forward to another video. Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you. Love you. Love Jones. Peace. Woo.